A vending machine?
Well, not just any vending machine, Private. The last remaining home in America's nanny state for those succulent but chemically hazardous bits of puffed heaven cold.
Oh, cheesy dibbles!
Happy ding-dong birthday, you little scamp.
Oh, thank you.
You mess with a bull, you're gonna get the horns, Private. Now hit that machine and get your present. We just broke into the most secure facility in North America. You know what that means?
We're wanted criminals who'll be on the lam the rest of our lives? Always feeling the hot breath of Johnny Law on our necks?
No, it means, as elite units go, we're the elitist of the elite. Top shelf in the Bureau. The penultimate. Plus one. Where'd Private go?
Oh, there he is. D3.
Oh, Private. How much is he?
He's $3.50, sir.
Well, that's outrageous. Even for Private.
Sir, the machine is alive.
I don't think I like your attitude, vending machine. Or your prices. Release them.
What the? No, I still can't read.
Then we're going off book.
No!
Too much!
I'm getting the hang of this, Skipper.
Good! We're coming for you, Private!
Ludicrous butterballs are letting David escape. Eva, secure transport. Short fuse, Corporal. Hit us arrive.
Fire! Go fetch!
Hold us steady.
Sir, Dave is pulling ahead. We are too heavy.
Ah, curse our heavily cheese-dibbled diet. Rico, give me a West Helsinki fire sale.
Yeah, yes.
Everything must go.
What the?
That's everything, sir.
Have you purged the chemical toilet?
But Rico was in there for 15 minutes.
Just do it!
Self-destruct sequence.
Now, Private! Stay strong, soldier!
2, 1.